That knot in your stomach before a big presentation? It's not just in your head. Your gut contains 500 million neurons, making it your body's hidden second brain. Right now, your nervous system may be hijacking your digestion without you even knowing. Today, we're zooming in to see exactly what happens inside your gut when stress takes over. Deep inside your digestive tract, there's an entire nervous system most people never think about. It's called the enteric nervous system, and it controls digestion almost entirely on its own. Connecting your brain and gut is the vagus nerve, a long pathway carrying signals both ways. This gut-brain connection means your emotions can directly change how your stomach behaves. Let's zoom in and see what's actually happening inside your gut when your brain senses danger. Understanding this connection is the key to knowing why stress hits your stomach so hard. So what exactly goes wrong inside your gut when your brain hits the panic button? The first culprit is your fight or flight response, and it starts the moment you feel threatened. Your body floods with adrenaline, redirecting energy for your muscles and away from your stomach. In that moment, your brain treats digestion as non-essential, almost like shutting down a background app. Stomach acid production drops, food sits longer, and that heavy, uncomfortable feeling begins. But the second culprit works more quietly, and its damage to your gut may run even deeper. Cortisol, the stress hormone, diverts blood flow away from your digestive organs when you're anxious. Without enough blood flow, your gut lining becomes vulnerable, and its protective mucus layer thins. Research suggests that sustained cortisol can shift your gut bacteria, giving harmful microbes an advantage. And then there's the third culprit, one you can actually feel happening in real time. Stress can make your stomach empty too fast or too slow, throwing your entire digestive rhythm off. Your intestinal contractions become irregular, leading to cramping, nausea, or sudden bathroom urgency. These three culprits work together, turning one stressful moment into a full digestive shutdown. But here's where it gets really concerning. What happens when this stress response never turns off? When stress becomes a daily routine, your gut stays in a constant state of low-level inflammation. Over time, that inflammation may weaken the gut barrier, allowing particles to slip through into the bloodstream. Your gut bacteria diversity drops under prolonged stress, weakening the balance that keeps digestion healthy. Here's something that might surprise you. 70% of your entire immune system lives inside your gut, and roughly 15% of the body's serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is made right there too. Studies have found that people with chronic gut stress may be significantly more likely to develop IBS. Gut inflammation can disrupt serotonin production, changing how you feel emotionally, not just physically. Chronic gut inflammation has been linked to a higher risk of autoimmune responses throughout the body. And this is where the vicious cycle begins. Anxiety disrupts your gut, and your gut fuels more anxiety. Every distress signal your gut sends reinforces your brain's belief that something is still wrong. Without intervention, this loop can become self-sustaining, keeping both your mind and gut on high alert. The good news is, research suggests there are real, science-backed ways to calm this cycle down. So what can you actually do to calm your gut when stress starts taking control? The first approach is surprisingly simple. Deep, slow belly breathing can activate your body's calm mode. This type of breathing directly stimulates the vagus nerve, switching your nervous system to rest and digest. Research shows that better vagus nerve function helps calm gut contractions, bringing digestive rhythm back to normal. Just a few minutes of slow breathing before a stressful event may help shift your gut out of panic mode. Now let's talk about what you put on your plate, because your food choices shape your gut bacteria every day. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains act as fuel for your beneficial gut bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut introduce diverse helpful bacteria into your digestive system. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, may help reduce inflammation in the gut lining. Studies suggest that a more diverse diet leads to a more resilient microbiome, better equipped to handle stress. Have you ever eaten a full meal while scrolling your phone and barely tasted a single bite? Eating slowly and chewing thoroughly gives your digestive enzymes time to work the way they're designed to. When you eat during peak stress, your gut stays in fight or flight mode, struggling to break food down properly. A calm eating environment tells your gut it's safe to digest, improving both comfort and nutrient absorption. Here's another tool your gut will thank you for, and it doesn't require any special equipment. Moderate physical movement, like walking or cycling, has been shown to improve how food moves through your gut. Regular exercise helps lower your baseline cortisol over time, easing the daily stress load on your gut. Movement also supports a healthier mix of gut bacteria, which may strengthen your digestive resilience. Even a gentle walk after a meal may help your stomach empty faster and reduce that uncomfortable bloated feeling. The fifth and final approach targets the root of the problem, your body's stress response itself. Techniques like progressive muscle relaxation can help signal your nervous system that the threat has passed. Consistent sleep patterns support overnight gut repair, giving your digestive lining time to recover and rebuild. Research suggests that regular sleep also promotes more stable gut bacteria rhythms throughout the day. When you combine several of these approaches, the benefits may compound, creating a stronger shield for your. Let's put it all together. Here's a simple action plan to start protecting your gut from stress today. Start with your breath. 2 minutes of deep belly breathing before a stressful moment can make a real difference. Next, try adding one fermented food to your daily routine, whether it's yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut. Choose one meal each day to eat without screens. Chew slowly and let your gut digest in peace. Add 20 to 30 minutes of gentle movement to your day. Even a short walk after dinner counts. Finally, work on a consistent sleep routine. Your gut does most of its repair work while you're resting. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with just one change and build from there. Small, consistent steps tend to create the biggest improvements when it comes to gut health over time. Pay attention to how your gut feels after meals and stressful moments. The patterns may surprise you. If your symptoms persist or get worse, consider talking to your doctor to rule out any underlying conditions. A healthcare provider can offer personalized guidance that goes beyond what any video can cover. So here's the key takeaway. That nervous stomach before a big event is your gut-brain axis in action. Once you understand the mechanism behind it, you're already one step closer to taking back control. A healthier gut starts with understanding how it works, and now you have that knowledge. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed gut health insights. Drop a comment sharing your experience with nervous stomach, and stay tuned for our next gut-brain deep dive.